Drop in. Drop in. Visit someone unexpectedly.
I might drop in on my friend later. She dropped in for coffee this morning.
Chill out. Chill out. Relax or calm down.
You need to chill out before the exam. Let's chill out at the beach this weekend.
Back out. Back out. Decide not to do something you agreed to.
He backed out of the deal at the last minute. Don't back out of the project now.
Build up. Build up. Increase or grow in strength or intensity.
They built up their savings over the years. The tension built up before the big game.
Carry on. Carry on. Continue doing something.
Carry on with your work despite the noise. She carried on talking even when he left.
Cheer up. Cheer up. Become happier or make someone happier.
I brought flowers to cheer her up. Cheer up, things will get better.
Hang on. Hang on. Wait for a short time.
Hang on a moment, I'll be right back. Hang on, I need to grab my jacket.
Drink up. Drink up. Finish your drink.
Drink up, we need to leave soon. He drank up the last of his coffee.
Wipe out. Wipe out. Completely destroy or eliminate.
The storm wiped out the power in the area. He wiped out on his skateboard.
Rip off. Rip off. Cheat someone, usually financially.
That store ripped me off with high prices. Don't let them rip you off.
Chip in. Chip in. Contribute money or effort.
Everyone chipped in for the gift. Can you chip in for the party decorations?
Chicken out. Chicken out. Decide not to do something because of fear.
He chickened out of the bungee jump. Don't chicken out, it'll be fun.
Call on. Call on. Visit or ask someone for help.
I'll call on you tomorrow. She called on her friend for advice.
Ask around. Ask around. Inquire among many people.
I'll ask around to find a good restaurant. He asked around for tips on the project.
Cut in. Cut in. Interrupt someone while speaking or in line.
Don't cut in line. She cut in during the conversation.
Fall apart. Fall apart. Break into pieces or lose control emotionally.
The old book began to fall apart. He fell apart after hearing the news.